Nancy and Evan here. So today what we're going to do is just discuss a common flaw that we see in some hitters who struggle at the plate. And one of those errors that we see is just them swaying versus actually coiling and getting into their hip. So as a coach, you can set up a tee behind the player's hip with a ball there. And what you can do is as they go ahead and they're entering their swing, you're looking for how much their center mass is drifting backwards instead of coiling into the ground. So Evan's going to demonstrate 2 core reps of swaying. All right, so he's setting up, okay? Look for how far his center of gravity gets behind this plate. And take a look at his foot too. So he's kind of rolling out into that position. So as a hitter, that's not going to be the most efficient position to be in, nor one that you want to train in, and for multiple reasons. So the first reason is just force production. All your force is going up and back, and that's not going to allow for an efficient hit. Also, when it comes to just hitting a fastball coming at you, your eye level's changing a lot, so that's going to make pitches a lot harder to see, and it's going to be hard for you to adjust to certain pitches too, especially as you go up in rank. Pitchers have more stuff to fool you with, and you're not going to be able to adjust to it. What we want to do is get our hitters to feel the sensation of coiling and holding their hip in place, okay? So Evan's going to he's going to set up here. From a pressure point standpoint, he's going to have pressure on his big toe and his heel, and he's using his little glute in the back there, so glute med, to hold him into that position. And then he's going to go ahead, he lines up, and then attacks that pitch. But I want you to take note too, what happens here is as he's going, he's pulling himself into internal rotation so that when he uncoils, he's going into external rotation. And if you take a look here at his eyes are staying steady because he's able to hold himself into that position as he hits, okay? And so as a coach, that's just one technique you can go ahead and look for, and you can also use this as a good visual to confirm or deny what you're seeing.